Hi, I'm Ryan Platch with Durable Demolition. Have you ever had trouble finding a dependable and experienced demolition contractor at a fair price? Well, look no further. Here at Durable Demolition, we specialize in many services, from a complete demolition and cleanup of a commercial and residential structures, as large as a warehouse to as small as a shed. For more information, check out our website at www.durabledemolition.com or call 716-957-2604. Don't forget to ask about our many other services. Durable Demolition, a company you can depend on.